So today I'm going to show you me going to this website, Italia IT, and translating a paragraph of an article in order to try to get it as close as possible to the English version on the website. I am allowed to look up words. Why? Because this is one way you can test yourself on your understanding of real languages. Of course, you can do it in various ways, like not allowing yourself to look anything up, not refining it down, just getting the gist. It's up to you. But my challenge is to get as close to the English translation as I can in general terms. It'll never be the exact same words, and I'll be speeding it up. So see you on the other side. So as you saw, I looked up a handful of words, mainly to check the meaning because I thought I knew them roughly. The only one I think that I got completely wrong was passerelle, meaning catwalks. Not your everyday language. I'm not worried about that. Also, not quite right was bottega, meaning shops rather than workshops. I have seen that word before, and I kind of thought it was like an artisanal shop where you might see people working. But there's no real way of knowing from this whether that's the case. Oh yes, and atelier. I'm not into fashion, so I have no idea whether or not people would regularly use that in this instance, but I'm glad I added the S. There are a lot of things where I basically got the same meaning with different words. The thing I do take issue with is using catalyses in English. I don't think anyone would ever use that word in an article for tourism. And I'm glad I left Quadrilatero della Moda as the original. The expressions used in English do make me think that this is not translated by a person, because it follows the original too closely. but it's still a good way to practice your comprehension skills and perhaps learn some more vocabulary. Although I'm not sure I'll ever need passerelle. It didn't take me too long, only about 14 minutes.